What if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you will master 33 sentences that native English speakers use every single day? And by the end of this video, you will feel these sentences rolling off your tongue completely naturally. I am Emma, and I am about to share my personal daily routine, using the most common English sentences you need to know. But here is the secret. You are not just listening. You are shadowing me. Welcome to Speak English Daily. If you have never done shadowing before, you are about to discover the fastest way to speak English fluently. Here is the magic. Listen to me first. Then repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, my tone, my speed. Do not think about grammar. Just let your mouth learn the natural flow of English. Today is part 1 of my complete daily routine, from morning until work time. These are 33 sentences I actually use every day. And after shadowing me, they will feel completely natural coming out of your mouth, too. If you are new here and want to speak English confidently every day, hit subscribe right now. Do not miss a single episode. Ready to transform your English in just 10 minutes? Do not worry if you cannot keep up at first. That is totally normal. Just do your best, and you will improve with every single sentence. Let us start shadowing. Let us start with my morning routine. Listen first, then shadow me. Ready? Let us go. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. I take a few deep breaths to wake my body up. I take a few deep breaths to wake my body up. First, I drink a full glass of cold water. First, I drink a full glass of cold water. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. I wash my face with warm water and soap. I wash my face with warm water and soap. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. I comb my hair and make it look neat. I comb my hair and make it look neat. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. Perfect. Can you feel how these sentences are already starting to flow? Keep going. Your English speaking muscles are getting stronger with every sentence. Let us keep moving. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. I drink orange juice and a hot cup of coffee. I drink orange juice and a hot cup of coffee. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. I choose my clothes for work very carefully. I choose my clothes for work very carefully. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. I check the weather forecast on my phone. I check the weather forecast on my phone. I pack my lunch in a small container. I pack my lunch in a small container. I double check that all the windows are closed. I double check that all the windows are closed. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. Amazing. You are more than halfway through part 1. If you are shadowing with me right now, drop a heart in the comments. I want to see how many of you are practicing right now. I leave my house at 8:30 sharp. I leave my house at 8:30 sharp. I walk to the bus stop near my building. I walk to the bus stop near my building. I wait for the number 12 bus to arrive. I wait for the number 12 bus to arrive. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. I review my schedule for the day on my phone. I review my schedule for the day on my phone. I arrive at my office at 9:15. I arrive at my office at 9:15. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. I check my emails and make a to-do list. I check my emails and make a to-do list. I attend 3 important meetings today. I attend 3 important meetings today. During lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. During lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. I work on my computer until 5 o'clock. I work on my computer until 5 o'clock. Incredible! You just shadowed 33 essential daily routine sentences. That is 10% more than most people practice in one session. But we are only halfway through my day. Tomorrow's episode reveals my evening routine, plus the 5 secret words that make you sound 100% native. Here is your challenge for today. Use this sentence. I leave my house at blank sharp. Comment your time below right now. I want to see it. Do not stop here. Your English journey is just getting started. Hit subscribe so you never miss part 2. And remember, every sentence you shadow today is one step closer to fluency. I will see you in part 2. Keep shadowing. Keep improving. You are doing absolutely great.